Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review about MI band strap. It's orange in color. I bought this from MI store. And here are some details about the strap. It says about the quantity, strap, price, etc. That's it. This is the strap. It feels really good. As you can see, it's quite good covering package. Let's open it. Let me grab a knife. Here we go. And here it is, the user manual. It says about the strap, and here the installation techniques. We don't need this. Let's keep this aside. This is the strap, and this is old one. It's black color. So this is the strap. It feels really good in hand. It has smooth texture. This is some thermocol type of thing. We don't need that. The texture is good. The material is really great. It will last really long. It is way better than those cheap quality straps we get on Amazon. It's really durable, I think. Well, it's the same material as this one. This is the old one. Well, both are almost same. The only difference is color, I think so. Okay, now let's install this. Here we go. This is it, guys. This is how it looks after installation. Well, it feels really great. Let me put this on. This is how it looks on hand. Let's take this outside. This is how it looks in outdoors, and this is the color. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.